Hi everyone, this is MSY's Research Notes. Well, it has already been 11:43, so it's very late at night. And well, actually, today I have already finished the PowerPoints, which is required in our competition, and I used the generative AI ChatGPT 5.5 and its image 2 to generate those 4 PowerPoint slides pictures, and I think those pictures are excellent, and I think since I need to present my work in Eurocall conference and also ACTA or probably foreign language research forums. So I think at that time I will also use ChatGPT to generate the PowerPoint pictures because it is very professional and it's also very clear. So I think, especially in the process of doing research, I have already accumulated various tools, all those useful tools to support this process. So I think today is a very fruitful day and I have already learned a lot of tools. And today, as a research assistant, I have continued my work, and also today I have finished labeling more than 12 different essays. So although it's not very although it's not a very large number, I still think that since it's an everyday life or an everyday task, I will continue doing that, and I will make sure that before May the 17th, I will present the final labeling result or the labeling outcome to my senior students, to my senior to my senior student, PhD student, and also my supervisor. So I think this is just what I'm planning to do. So today I want to share with you a new research about which I have already finished labeling. So it is examine the impact of gamified mobile and AI-assisted language learning on academic integrity, creative trait motivation, and writing performance. So based on this title, you can see that it's probably the authors, they developed a kind of game to enhance the writing process or to support the writing process. So because you can see the keyword gamified mobile, so I think this is a new, especially some unique essays, because I have seldom seen using games to support the writing process. And it's an empirical study, and the name of the generative AI is ChatGPT. And generative AI is used to support the writing process. And AI All group, which is the group name, students in that group utilize the ChatGPT to finish writing and creative tasks. And also they get real-time feedbacks, personalized feedbacks, and which can support their revisions of their writings. And GMLL group, which is another group's name, used elevates fun writing games. Well, I'm not quite familiar with this game, but I don't know whether this is developed by the authors or they just utilize some games developed by others. But actually they just use those games. So actually this is a comparison between games and also generative AI. So you can see that during the games, students can get scores, levels, and they will have a ranking and also some challenging tasks to support their writing processes. And the comparison group then only received the traditional teaching lessons. So the target language is English, and the target writing style is argumentative essays or argumentative articles. And the educational level is undergraduate and postgraduate. And the learning environment is unclear or unidentified. We are unsure about the learning environment. and the number of participants or number of articles is more than 100, and the time span is unclear, and they applied a mixed method approach. And the source of the data first is the students writing samples, and then questionnaires and interviews, and also students' scorings. In the theoretical perspective, there are three theories that they used. This first one is zone of proximal development, second is self-determination theory, and third is cognitive load theory. Well, actually, I have to confess that I'm not familiar with those theories because as a research assistant, my major work is to label based on the essay that I have read about. But I think I will check those essays absolutely. But right now it's not the proper time because I'm so busy. I'm the research assistant and also I'm writing my own essays. So probably during the vacation or the next semester, I mean, absolutely before the application to Oxford or Cambridge, I will finish checking those essays and I will remember them very clearly in case during the interviews the professors might ask me about the theories that I have read about as a research assistant. And there are several research questions. Well, I won't read every one of them one by one. And today I think, let me see. I'll just stop here because it's a little bit late, and I'm not sure whether I still have enough time to publish this video within today. Today is May the 6th. I'm not sure whether it's possible for me to upload this video on time. So I think I'll just stop here. And well, this is MSY's research notes, and tomorrow I will move to my renting house. So and tomorrow hopefully I will just record a video and tell you more about my life and also the work that I'm currently doing. So hope to see you tomorrow. And this is MSY's research notes, and this is all we have today. All right, see you tomorrow. Good night.